In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix database. If you're ready to enhance your Wix site with dynamic content, this is a great place to start. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process of setting up and utilizing Wix's database features. First things first, the journey begins by logging into Wix. Ensure that you use your account credentials to access the Wix dashboard. This platform is incredibly versatile, allowing users to create beautiful, functional websites with ease. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix homepage dashboard. Next up, you'll want to click on the option that says Edit Site. Doing so will take you into the Wix editor, where you can make all sorts of customizations to your website. This is your creative playground where you can manage both the design and interactive elements of your site. Once inside the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll find a variety of features to explore. Scroll down to locate the CMS or Content Management System. Clicking on this will allow you to manage, edit, and input your data collection seamlessly. At this stage, you'll be faced with a choice. You'll need to decide whether you want to add a preset or create a new collection from scratch. Presets can be a straightforward option if you want to use pre-configured databases, but creating a new collection offers more flexibility to tailor it to your specific needs. Whichever you choose, it's crucial to give your collection a clear and descriptive name. This ensures easily recognizable and organized data management in the future. Now that you have your collection set up, it's time to add fields to it. Fields are essentially the various data categories that will make up your collection, such as text, numbers, dates, or images. To make your database functional and informative, think carefully about the kind of information you need to store and how you want this data to appear on your site. With your fields set up, you can now start populating the collections with data. Whether it's customer email lists, product inventory details, or blog content, inputting your data accurately is critically important for your site's functioning and your visitors' experience. Last but not least, Wix provides the flexibility to connect with external databases. For instance, you can integrate with Microsoft Azure for enhanced data capacity and advanced features. This is particularly useful if you have a larger or more data-intensive operation or want to leverage cloud services for scalability. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing dynamic content on your Wix site effectively. Take the time to explore and familiarize yourself with the various options and capabilities of the Wix CMS to make the most out of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!